Welcome to our fourth episode, and this will be our last episode. And I'll be talking about artificial intelligence. When you talk about artificial intelligence, the things that always come to our mind is intelligence. So let's start with what is intelligence. Intelligence has been defined in many ways. It is known as higher level ability such as abstract reasoning, mental presentation, problem solving, and decision making. The ability to learn, emotional knowledge, creativity, and adaptation to meet the demand of the environment effectively. In other words, intelligence is the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skill. How it works? The artificial intelligence is a system worked by ingesting large amount of labeled training data, analyzing the data for correlations and patterns, and using this pattern to make predictions about future states. In this way, a chat box that is fed example of text chats can learn to produce lifelike exchanges with people, or an image recognition tool can learn to identify and describe objects in images by reviewing millions of examples. What are the advantages of artificial intelligence? Although the artificial intelligence is the intelligent machine that can perform so many things, can perform the work that human beings supposed to do. Although they can perform it even better than human, however, there is some advantage and disadvantage that this machine can cause. And let's look at the advantage of the artificial intelligence. So, artificial intelligence, or which is known as AI, is pushing the boundaries of machine-enabled functionalities. This bleeding-edge technology facilitates machines to act with a degree of autonomy, resulting in effective executions of iterative tasks. Artificial intelligence facilitates the creation of a next generation. It workplace that thrive on seamless collaboration between enterprise systems and individuals. Although it can do all kind of work, however, it is lack certain things that the artificial intelligence cannot do, and there is some disadvantage that in possessing those artificial intelligence, we always looking forward what the advantage and some disadvantage that can hold us back, and also some of disadvantage that the scientists have been trying to solve those disadvantage by enabling and giving more information such as data into this artificial intelligence. However, although they have been trying, but there is still some disadvantage, and those disadvantages are those in possessing those artificial intelligence are highly cost. Artificial intelligence is highly cost and no creativity, and it also increase in unemployment. It also make human lazy, and it also has no ethic. Let's look at them one by one. Highly cost. Artificial intelligence, the ability to create a machine that can simulate human intelligence, is not small feat. It requires plenty of time and resources and can cost a huge deal of money. Artificial intelligence also needs to operate on the latest hardware and software to stay updated and meet the latest requirement, thus making it quite costly. And it has no creativity. A big disadvantage of artificial intelligence is that it cannot learn to think outside the box. Artificial intelligence is capable of learning over time with pre-fed data and past experiences, but cannot be creative in its approach. A classic example of it is bot Quill, who can write Forbes earning reports. These reports only contain data and facts already provided to the bot. Although it is impressive that a bot can write an article on its own, it lacks the human touch present in other Forbes articles. The third is increase in unemployment. Perhaps one of the biggest disadvantages of artificial intelligence is that artificial intelligence is slowly replacing a number of repetitive tasks with bots. The reduction in the needs of human intelligence has resulted in the death of many job opportunities. A simple example is the chat box, which is a big advantage to organizations, but a nightmare for employees. A study by McKinsey predicts that artificial intelligence will replace at least 30% of human labor by 2030. The fourth, it makes humans lazy. Artificial intelligence applications automate the majority of tedious and repetitive tasks. Since we do not have to memorize things or solve puzzles to get the job done, we tend to use our brain less and less. This addiction to artificial intelligence can cause problems to future generations. And the fifth is no ethics. Ethics and morality are important human features that can be difficult to incorporate into an artificial intelligence. The rapid progress of artificial intelligence has raised a number of concerns that one day artificial intelligence will grow uncontrollably and eventually wipe out humanity. This moment is referred to as the artificial intelligence singularity. And so, some researchers with this concern and this matter that they have researched and they have gained from those artificial intelligence, those advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence, especially concerning of the human safety and the safety of our Mother Earth. And there's some scientists, some research that came up with some solution that can put and can improve what artificial intelligence can do for us as human and also for our world. A number of participants in this conversing offer solution to the worrisome potential future spawned by artificial intelligence. Among them are improving collaboration across borders and stakeholders groups. And second is developing policies to assure that development of artificial intelligence will be directed at augmenting human and common good. And the third is shifting the priority of economic, political, and education system to empower individuals to stay ahead in the race with robots.
Thank you, everyone. This is the end of our presentation. We would like to thank our lecturer, Ms. Kimaha Cornell, who has been lecturing us in this course, Theory of Knowledge.